Electrification is perhaps the automotive buzzword today, but General Motors has been offering various hybrids for more than a decade. The Buick division launched its first such vehicle back in 2012, the LaCrosse eAssist, a hybrid version of its large sedan that continued through the 2016 model year. When the third-generation LaCrosse was released for 2017, the technology was absent from the order sheet, but Buick re-upped on the hybrid for 2018. The four-cylinder eAssist now is the entry-level powerplant. Unlike many eco-themed vehicles that telegraph their green-leaning powertrains, however, the LaCrosse keeps its electrification on the down low. Take a walk around the LaCrosse and there are only 4 badges in sight: the Buick Tri-Shield logo on the grille and the center of the trunk lid, Buick spelled out on the left side of the trunk lid, and LaCrosse on the right side. There's nothing else on the rear or on the body signs to indicate that this car has hybrid technology under the skin. Not even a funky color choice like bright green, chrome yellow, or electric blue. Our test car was white with chrome wheels, classy but conventional. The same aesthetic carries through to the interior. There's no weird dash arrangement for the sake of being different, no strangely patterned or colored trim, no oddball shifter. The one thing that hints something environmentally friendly is going on is a tiny digital leaf on the right side of the gauge cluster. It acts as the needle on a meter that ranges between excel and brake. Seeing such labels might seem silly considering how elementary those tasks are in any car, but it denotes the 2 areas where the eAssist system comes into play.